Hello everyone, this is Ujjwal Kumar. So in the last tutorial we have seen how to do the shell programming in Unix. So in this tutorial we are going to see the some of the basic of how to work with looping and controlling structure. So first program that we are going to see here is Armstrong program. So as we know that Armstrong, what is Armstrong number? So let's directly go to what is Armstrong number. So vi Armstrong dot sh. So if you see here, first we are enter the number, asking for entering the number, and then we are storing the value read n. After that we are storing the initializing the count value to 0 and then m value to be the value that we have taken from the user. So while m greater than 0 till the number is greater than 0, it keeps on dividing by 10. So we'll get how many total number of digits are there in number, and after that we'll echo n, and Armstrong echo 0 will be set. And then what we'll do, we'll just start getting the last digit of the number, and we'll start giving the power. So suppose count value is 3 and last digit to 1, so 1 power 3, and then again we are adding the value. So Armstrong value is set to 0, then again amps power plus power 0. So again we'll dividing the number, and we'll keep on getting the unit place, tens place, and hundred place, like that only. So if Armstrong equal to, if the sum will be equal to the entered number, it is Armstrong number, else it's not Armstrong number. So let's see the execution of the program, how it works. Then sh, then Armstrong.sh. So if you execute the number 121, so 121 is not Armstrong number. As we can see that entire number 121 is not Armstrong number. So suppose we have to give the Armstrong number. So if we take 153, 153, so it's showing is the Armstrong number. So this is all about the first program that we have did, Armstrong number. So in the next video, we are next program, we are going to see what is the how to do the Fibonacci series. So vi and then Fibonacci dot sh. So if you see vi Fibonacci dot sh, entire number till you want a Fibonacci series. We are reading the input from the user, and we are setting I equal to 0, j equal to 1. So if n equal to 2, we'll just print I and j, that is 0 and 1. If n equal to 1, we'll print 0 only. Okay. So if you see here, we'll just start printing 0 and 1. So k equal to 3, so we'll be starting from the third number, and then we'll be going till less than equal to the entered number, and then k plus plus. So what we are doing here, we are just adding the uh, first value and the second value, and we are storing in the third variable, and we are printing the value. So again $I, so second value is moved to first value, that is I, and third value is moved to second value, and the loops keeps on going. So let's see the demonstration of the program, how it's work. So sh, then Fibonacci dot sh. So enter number till you want. So if you enter 8, so input will be 13. So this is the Fibonacci series. In the next program, we are going to see whether number is palindrome or not. So palindrome, like if you reverse the number, you will get the same number. So this is a simple program. Enter the number. So user will be entering the number. We are storing the value in n. Then m equal to storing goes to n, and the reverse the value is set to 0. So till the number is greater than 0, what we are doing, first we are getting the last place of the digit, like unit place, and then again we are dividing mod 10, so we will get the last place, and then we are reverse into 10. So reverse value is set to 0. So 0 into 10 plus remainder. So it's keep on going like that only, and then equal m by 10. So if n equal to reverse, n is palindrome. If n not is not palindrome. So suppose if we enter 121, so first thing will come, 1 will come here. Then 0 into 10, 0 plus 1, so we get 1 here. Okay, and then again 1 to 1, so 1 to 1 divided by 10 will give 12. 12 more 10, then second number 2 will become. It keeps on going like that. So in the next program, if you see, so let's see how this is working. Palindrome and such. So if we enter 121, it's showing it's a palindrome number. If we enter 153 here, so it will show it's not a palindrome number. So it's not a palindrome number. So in the next program, we are going to see how to find the prime number between the certain range. So let's go. Vi prime.sh I already created. So this is also simple. We are getting the first number here, and then second number, and then we are setting the count value to 0. So prime number between number 1 and number 2 will be, I will be running from number 1 and then less than equal to number 2. So for first value, j will be initialized to 2 and j less than I. So it will from the first value it will take I from here, and then j plus plus it will check for all the divisibility. So if any number first number divided by second number gives modulus 0, so it means that it's a echo count plus 1 will increase the count. So if not, then what we'll do, we'll just come up out this for loop, and if count equal to 0, then we'll echo dollar $i. So what will be dollar $i? That number is a prime number. Else if whenever count plus 1 will go, so we'll not print anything. So let's see the demonstration of the program, how it's working. Sh prime dot sh, then again enter first number. So if you enter 2 and then again if you enter 15, so it will show the list of the number between the 2 and 15 which are prime. So in the next program, what we are going to see, we are going to see how to sort two array. So in this program we will just use the simple logic of a bool sort. So first we are taking the size of the array, then enter the elements in the array. In the from the for loop we are entering all the value in the array. So read dollar of a of I, then echo sorted array ascending. So what it will do, we'll just for I equal to, we'll take first 0th element and the first element, then we'll compare, then again first element and the second element we'll compare. So if 0th element is greater than the first element, we'll just swap the process. So for again, if this is for ascending order, so descending order the same thing will work, just we have to reverse the array. So after that, what we have to do, so for do, and then again we have to print the array one by one. So for descending order, we'll be printing sorted array in descending, then again descending order. So let's see the demonstration of how this program is working. So if we go here, sh sort array dot sh, so enter the size of the array. So if we enter 5, if we give input 2 1 7 8 5, so it will show enter the 217. This is in ascending order 1 2 5 7 8, and this is in descending order. So in the next program, what we are going to see, we are going to see how to find the sum of the series. So sum of the series of the squares. Suppose that if you want to find the sum of the numbers from 1 square to plus 2 square plus 3 square, for that we need to develop a program. Okay, so enter a number till we want to find the sum of square. So read n, so we will be taking the into. So what will be formula here, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So what we are doing here, n2 will be storing the value of n plus 1, n3 will be storing the value of 2n into n plus 1, and n1 will be storing the value of n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So and again we are printing the value. So just a simple thing is here, we use of the formula. So if you go here and type if you go here and try to type how this program is working. So suppose, so if we go here and type the program, echo dollar n will give you the output of the program. So after that, having set the formula, we'll just go and we'll just try to execute the program. So sh sum of the series, then sh, then enter the number. So if you want till third, so it will show the value as 14. So this is all about today's program. Thank you for watching. रुको रुको भाई, बंद हुआ कि नहीं? ओ भाई